In this question, we need to find the value of three angles. Given is what? Angle EAC 82 degree and angle EBA is 33 degree given. Now you can see center is O. Line AB passes through center O. So I can say AB as diameter. AB is diameter. So angle subtend by diameter on circumference is 90 degree. So I can say angle AEB is equal to 90 degree. Angle AB is 33 degree. So I want to make you to able to see the triangle ABE. It's 33 degree. 33 degree. It's 90 degree. So angle EAB will be how much? 180 minus 90 plus minus 33. Sum of following angle is 180. 180 minus of 90 plus 33. Now it will be equal to 57 degree. 57 plus 33 is how much? 7 3 10. 5 3 99 90 180. Okay. So angle BAE or EAB or BAE, which is equal to 57 degree. First answer we got it. Second, we need to find the angle value of angle BOC. Okay. Now let's erase the rough. I need some space to solve. I know my handwriting is not much pretty, but my aim is you to know how to solve the question in less time in the exam. We need to find the angle of angle BOC. Okay. If we find the value of angle OAC, we will get the value of angle OBC twice the time of angle OAC is equal to angle BOC. Now you might get confused. Now let's see the arc clearly. Arc BC. Angle subtended by arc at any point on circumference is half of angle subtended by arc at center. Okay. Or simple words, angle subtended by arc at center is twice the angle subtended at any point on circumference. If let it be x, so it will be how much? X by 2. X by 2 cut twice. X by 2 twice is x. Okay. I am writing angle subtend at center is twice angle subtend by arc on any point of circumference. Okay. I know that angle EAB is equal to 57 degree and angle EAC is equal to 82 degree given. So angle BAC is equal to 82 minus 57. 25 degree is the value of angle BAC. So angle BOC will be how much? Twice the angle OAC. OAC or BAC is both same. So it will be how much? 25 here. Substituting it, angle BOC which will be equal to 25 to the 50 degree. 50 degree is the right answer for part 2. I need some rough space for third part. Okay. We need to find the value of angle ODP, the third one. Looks somewhat crazy, but not that crazy. Let's just assume to be x. What we know? We know that angle AB 90 degree. We know that angle BAC is 25 degree. We know that it's 50 degree. You can see this is an isosceles triangle OAC. As a radius equal, so it will be also 25 degree. Sum of all angle triangle is 180 degree. So angle OAC is how much? 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. If OAC 130 degree, angle BOD will be also equal to 130 degree. Vertically opposite angle BOA, so it will be also how much? 130 degree. Now if I expand this obtuse triangle, not much clear, it's 130 degree. It's, let's say, 33 degree. Angle TOB. Sum of all angle triangle is 180 degree. So how much? 180 minus of 130 plus 33. So we will get answer as 17 degrees, the final answer. And you will see. Fine. I hope you understood it. Thank you.